Have you ever wondered what your skin is really made of and what happened to it when you try to bleach it? Before you reach for that whitening cream or injection, stop. In this series of videos, we are diving deep into the science of your skin, how it's beautifully and intricately designed to protect you, and what can go terribly wrong when you tamper with its natural structure. I am Dr. Mathe, and this is Your Health with Dr. Mathe, where we educate and empower you with really facts about your health, gynecology, pregnancy, sexual wellness, and for both men and women. If you are thinking about lightening your skin, or you know someone who is about to do it, you need to hear this first. Let's go. Welcome back again. Welcome back again. We now come to the third part of our presentation, where we are going to talk about the 5 scariest beauty products, and that can cause us a lot of problem. The first ingredient that are in those skin whitening products is what we call mercury. The mercury contained in certain bleaching products, and it is very, very dangerous. Mercury is a toxic heavy metal banned in cosmetics by most countries. Even WHO, the World Health Organization, has banned it, including the FDA of USA. This toxic metal can cause skin rashes, discoloration, and scarring. Chronic use of mercury can lead to kidney failure, neurological damage, and poisoning. It also disrupts your skin, which is a protective barrier, increasing susceptibility to having infection. The WHO states that mercury-containing skin lighteners are still widely available in the market globally. As I said, it's a very big global market. According to WHO, mercury exposure is particularly dangerous for pregnant women because they can transmit their babies. Because, as we shall see in the fourth part, this can potentially lead to what we call developmental problem or abnormalities problem in those babies. So try to check the product you use. If there is any mercury, it's really dangerous. You should avoid it. The second ingredient in this cream or lightening or product is hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is often used to lighten skin pigmentation. And how does it work? It works by inhibiting melanin production, so you are no longer going to produce melanin. If you remember in the first part of this presentation, this topic, we told you about the importance of melanin. And now this hydroquinone is going to inhibit this protective action. Long-term use can cause, therefore, serious problem. What we call leukodemia, or a condition that paradoxically darkens certain area of your skin while the others are lightened. That's what is called in West Africa the skin coca fanda skin. Coca fanda skin. One part of the skin is very dark while the other part of the skin is lighter. Coca fanda skin. That's the effect of hydroquinone. Many countries have banned or restricted its use in over-the-counter products. Unfortunately, it continues to be fraudulently introduced into countries, and that is not really good because you are risking a lot by using it. The third product or ingredient found in those skin lightening products is corticosteroids, also known as steroids only. These are sometimes found in prescription-only products to treat some skin or other medical condition on prescription by the doctor. But unfortunately, they are now frequently added to over-the-counter creams. This will have an effect on your skin. Steroids are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, but their misuse can disrupt your body. And it also lead to hormonal imbalance and immune response, leading to severe health issues. That's why prolonged exposure can result in skin thinning, stretching marks, and systemic hormonal disturbances for ladies, and can lead now to a problem of blood pressure, even diabetes mellitus. And because it reduces immunity, their use will lead to increased risk of infections. So it is not good to abuse its use, except on medical prescription. Unfortunately, it is being used in skin lightening cream, causing serious health problem. So be careful. The fourth ingredient, and this is new, is what is called glutathione. Though touted as a miracle skin whitening agent, a miracle skin whitening agent because it is still new in the market and people call it miracle agent because it's new. But glutathione's safety and efficacy for this purpose are still under scrutiny. It is not good to use it because it is not yet studied and can cause serious side effects such as kidney failures, and its long-term impacts remain unknown. You don't know what will happen to you in future. And we don't yet know how it works. So don't use a known product like this glutathione to lighten your skin. The FDA has not approved glutathione for skin whitening, even WHO, highlighting the risks associated with its use. Don't use products like this. The fifth ingredient in those products are what we called paraben or preservative. These act as preservative but are linked to endocrine disruption. These paraben they disturb endocrine gland mechanism, causing reproductive issues in men and women. You wonder why there are so many people who are not conceiving who use those products. Finally, there are unregulated ingredients, many counterfeit products. Today, many counterfeit products, especially those from unverified sources, they exist in those shops. They contain mix of unregulated chemical. You don't know what it is inside, but they are sold as skin lightening products, miracles. And people are rushing out to buy them, even though they are unregulated and the ingredients in it are not known yet. Unfortunately, as it is not well regulated, they contain not well known. Therefore, it is very dangerous. These ingredients are often harmful for the skin. Be careful when products like this are being sold. That's what we said. These are dangerous products, giving you dangerous beauty. Dangerous products giving you dangerous beauty. Skin bleaching is a choice that comes with significant risk, especially when using unregulated and harmful products. Remember, there is no universal standard for beauty, and your health should always come first. Your health comes first. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like it, to share it, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content on gynecology, sexual health, and overall health, wellness. And also take the opportunity to watch the other video you see on this screen for this series. Let's prioritize our health and self-acceptance, who you are, and take informed decision. Stay tuned, and we'll be back shortly with the next part.